Once upon a time, there was a frog placed in a pot of cool water. At first, the frog was comfortable swimming around and enjoying its environment. However, an unnoticed threat lurked. The pot was placed on a stove and the heat was turned on very low. The change in temperature was so gradual that the frog didn't notice it. It continued to swim comfortably as the water slowly warmed up. As time passed, the water in the pot continued to heat up ever so slightly. But the frog, being acclimated to the gradual change, didn't perceive the danger. It remained in the water, not realizing that it was getting hotter and hotter. Eventually, the water in the pot reached its boiling point, becoming scalding hot. By this time, the frog was too weak to react to the sudden intense heat. It couldn't jump out of the pot because it had lost its strength during the gradual heating process. Tragically, the frog perished in the boiling water. The moral lesson of the story of the boiling frog is to caution against complacency in the face of slowly developing problems or threats. It teaches us that when changes happen so gradually that they are barely perceptible, we may become accustomed to them and fail to recognize the impending danger until it's too late. The story reminds us of the importance of staying vigilant, being aware of our surroundings, and not ignoring subtle warning signs, even if they seem insignificant at first. It's a metaphor for the need to address issues and challenges proactively rather than waiting until they become crises.